So, hi everyone, let us try to understand in today's session about house number 22 or master number 22. Now, like in number 22, why it's called a master number is because 22 has number 2 repeated twice. So, the energies and frequencies of number 2 are doubled here. Alright, before we get to know whether this can be considered good or not, let me try to help you guys understand the attributes of 22. Now, when we talk about 22 and individually consider the number 2 as well, some of the things that you'll be able to see is that these people are when you talk about number 2, basically this deals with emotion, this deals with the planet moon, and they also basically have not just emotion to the family or somebody, it also talks about an emotion to the goal. So when a combined frequency of 2 becomes 22, 22 basically talks about them being both a thinker, that is a dreamer, and a doer. But most of the times, because of the doubled frequencies of this number, their ideas are so extreme that when they're trying to explain their idea or their thought to somebody, that other person does not even understand what they're trying to say, because it's completely out of the blue. Their entire rationale or their understanding, I'm not telling it is wrong or right, but it cannot be understood by another person. So because of this, what happens, either they tend to isolate themselves from the other crowd, or if it is professionally, they tend to be solo goers. That is, if they have a thought or a goal in mind, they tend to be the only people investing in that goal, and they also tend to succeed in that also. So this is one of the things that you can see in number 22. But yes, since this is a master number, you can consider this as your house number, even in case if you get a house number 22, or if any house number equates to 22. But yes, this is a master number with double frequency, so this can be considered on a general note as well.